In the NX software, you can create the assembly and disassembly sequence by means exploded and collapse you. So go with the menu bar and assembly section. You may find out the explosion. So create the new explosion and create the steps manually. Select the component as per your requirement. Go with the specific orientation and drag the component. Again do the same process step by step. Now I will explode from the top side. Select the all screw and specify the orientation. Drag. This is the best way to create the exploded view, or you can say explosion. Now drag the plate. Okay. Explosion is created successfully. Create another explosion. So now you will find the two explosion. Explosion 1, explosion 2. You can also create the automatic explosion. Go with the new explosion and select the automatic and run. It will take time, but automatically explosion will be created. Okay. Automatic explosion will be created. Thank you.